Money comes to me with ease and grace. I naturally attract wealth and prosperity. Choosing financial freedom is part of my life path. I always have more than enough money for my needs and desires. I embrace the identity of a wealthy and abundant person. I recognize that there are endless ways for money to reach me. My life becomes more prosperous every single day. I welcome greater and greater financial abundance. I deeply appreciate every form of wealth that enters my life. Lifelong financial freedom is my clear intention. I have a positive and friendly relationship with money. My income constantly exceeds my expenses. I deserve wealth that allows me to live my dreams fully. Sharing my prosperity with others brings me joy. I possess the wisdom needed to create lasting success. My financial life is growing stronger and healthier. I consciously choose the path of wealth and abundance. I enjoy money and money enjoys being with me. Every day I grow richer in many beautiful ways. Prosperity is the reality I choose for my life. I am open and ready to receive the universe's blessings. Everything I require for success flows towards me. My wealth grows rapidly and continuously. I celebrate the success and prosperity of others. Opportunities for success appear easily in my life. I wish prosperity, happiness, and good fortune for everyone. New and surprising channels of income open for me. My wealth supports both my life and the lives of others. Money flows towards me today, every second, every minute. I always have access to everything I truly need. Success and abundance follow everything I commit to. The universe aligns people and opportunities to support me. I handle money with generosity and gratitude. Paying bills reminds me that abundance is flowing through my life. Every rupee I give returns to me many times over. I feel deep gratitude for the prosperity flowing through my life. Creating wealth feels natural and easy for me. Day by day, my financial growth continues to expand. Money moves toward me smoothly and effortlessly. I always have sufficient money to meet all my needs. My ability to attract money grows stronger each day. Giving freely brings me happiness because my abundance is endless. Wealth comes to me easily and naturally. I am worthy of every good thing life offers. My life is filled with more than enough prosperity. Sharing my success with those I love brings me joy. The world is full of abundance and it is finding its way to me. My income and wealth continue increasing every day. I appreciate the steady growth of prosperity in my life. I easily meet every financial responsibility today and in the future. I welcome the world's riches and opportunities into my life. I thank the universe for the prosperity I experience right now. I am excited about the new ways money is arriving for me. Wealth and abundance are naturally mine. I am deserving of great financial success. Today, I allow money to flow into my life freely. I say yes to financial freedom for myself and those around me. Money can reach me through countless directions. Humanity is richer than ever, and I receive my share. My financial freedom is my own conscious choice. I open myself to receiving good fortune. The universe supports me with everything I need for a joyful life. Prosperity and affluence naturally come to me when I focus on them. I have decided to welcome greater wealth into my life. Money flows into my life continuously and in many forms. The universe responds to my intention for greater abundance. Vast wealth and opportunities are always available to me. I am open and ready to receive financial blessings. I confidently achieve financial freedom. Unexpected financial gifts often arrive in my life. With open hands and open heart, I welcome money. Wealth flows toward me steadily. I allow myself to enjoy all the beautiful things I desire. This moment is the perfect time for my financial success. I have everything within me to succeed. Prosperity, health, happiness are welcome in my life. Money is unlimited and present everywhere around me. My happiness creates the pathway to wealth. I attract the exact amount of money needed for my best life. Opportunities for income appear in surprising ways. I naturally draw wealth toward me like a magnet. Financial success is absolutely possible for me. Wealth flows into my life freely and naturally. Money reaches me through many different channels. I consciously choose financial independence now. The flow of money in my life is constant and growing. Attracting wealth is effortless for me. My generosity returns to me multiplied many times. I always have enough resources to enjoy the life I desire. The more I share my prosperity, the more it expands. I am a clear channel for abundance in this world. Wealth naturally belongs in my life. I welcome increasing prosperity in every area of my life. Income and opportunities come to me even while I rest. I am grateful for the ability to support and uplift others. Choosing financial freedom is simple and natural for me. I am worthy of wealth exactly as I am today. Money brings greater freedom and joy into my daily life. I am a creator of prosperity and success. Abundance blesses my life every single day. I celebrate my growing financial freedom. I gratefully receive the money that supports my dreams. My finances reflect fullness and harmony. My life is rich in both wealth and happiness. I easily connect with the universal flow of abundance. Prosperity enhances my everyday life. Financial freedom is already becoming my reality. Thinking about my abundance fills me with gratitude. Money flows to me so easily that my desires are achievable. I appreciate the wealth that once felt distant but is now present. The universe loves supporting my dreams and desires. I release every belief that limits my financial expansion. A rich and fulfilling life is my natural right. I give thanks for my health, happiness, and prosperity. My life unfolds according to a higher divine order. Wealth and prosperity are manifesting in my life now. Every day brings greater financial success. All situations in my life move towards prosperity. I always have more than enough money. Abundance fills every part of my life. I deserve to enjoy the riches of life. The universe wishes abundance for every soul, including me. Financial independence is my present and future reality. Every opportunity for wealth opens easily for me. Money flows continuously through many channels in my life. I gladly receive the money needed for a fulfilling life. I release doubt and stand firmly in financial confidence. This moment is perfect for wealth to expand in my life. I enjoy discovering new ways prosperity reaches me. Giving and sharing increases the wealth in my life. My bank account grows steadily and effortlessly. Large sums of money arrive for me in natural ways. I am deeply connected to the limitless riches of existence. I trust divine guidance to surround my life with abundance. Prosperity, success, happiness are my natural birthright. I celebrate the freedom and abundance in my life. Universal intelligence fills my mind with clarity, wisdom, and prosperity. No matter where I am, the best opportunities find their way to me. I release every fear related to lack or limitation. This year brings greater financial flow than ever before. Higher intelligence gently guides me towards prosperity and happiness each day. Large amount of money naturally comes into my life. Everything unfolding in my life supports my highest good. I now understand the joy and confidence of being wealthy. I enjoy discovering the many ways the universe sends wealth to me. Every amount I spend returns to me multiplied. My entire life reflects abundance. I easily attract wealth and financial opportunities. My thoughts naturally create more prosperity. I live with complete peace around money. My mind focuses only on abundance and possibility. I have always known deep inside that wealth is part of my path. I release every belief that blocks my prosperity. I commit myself to building a powerful wealth mindset. Prosperity flows through every cell of my being. I already possess the knowledge needed to create wealth. Money flows toward me in large and joyful ways. I welcome financial blessings that support a fulfilling life. There is always more than enough money for me. Every payment I make returns to me with gratitude multiplied. My wealth expands beyond my greatest expectations. I naturally attract money wherever I go. Each positive thought increases my prosperity. Every day brings new and surprising financial opportunities. I allow my life to receive more abundance than ever before. Prosperity in all forms is naturally drawn to me. I feel deep gratitude for all the wealth that has already come into my life. My thoughts are transforming my finances and my future. I release resistance and allow money to flow freely to me. Peace, joy, and abundance are my natural emotional state. I remain open to every blessing the universe offers. Money constantly returns to me in growing amounts. My bank balance steadily rises with ease. I appreciate every rupee that enters my life. My mind naturally attracts wealth and prosperity. I recognize the abundance that already exists within me. Whenever money leaves my hands, it returns to me multiplied. Wealth flows toward me as naturally as the air I breathe. Visualizing my abundant life fills me with excitement. Money arrives in my life from unexpected and joyful places. I have the power to create the wealthy life I imagine. My mind consistently produces thoughts that attract positivity, prosperity. I am becoming more and more financially abundant every day.